Welcome to the Cloud Flair technology. In this tutorial, we will be discussing how to change instance type, security group, termination protection of EC2 instance.
EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud.
It is the compute service offering from the IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, area of AWS. Once an EC2 instance is provisioned, it is very handy to update, modify many of the instance's configuration parameters using AWS Management Console. Let's take a look at each of them. Log in to your AWS account and go to the AWS Services tab at the top left corner. Open all the services and click on EC2 under Compute Services. This will launch the dashboard of EC2.
Here is the EC2 dashboard. Here you will get all the information in gist about the AWS EC2 resources running.
On the top right corner of the EC2 dashboard, choose the AWS region in which you want to provision the EC2 server.
Here we are selecting North Virginia. AWS provides 24 regions all over the globe.
Once your desired region is selected, come back to the EC2 dashboard. On the EC2 dashboard, select the instance whose configuration parameters you want to modify and click on the Actions button as shown below. As you click the button, the drop-down will show us all the areas where we can modify the instance characteristics. Now let us see how to enable termination protection of an instance. An instance should always have termination protection enabled, especially on production servers. This will ensure that your EC2 instance is not getting accidentally terminated. Let's see how to enable termination protection. Go to Instance Settings. Click on Change Termination Protection. Notice that the current setting on our instance is disabled. Click on Yes, Enable. This has enabled termination protection on our instance. We'll check to see if our instance gets deleted when we hit Terminate. Select Instance State, and then click on Terminate. You will immediately be notified that the EC2 instance has termination protection enabled and you will not be able to delete it. Now let us change the security group of an instance. You can change the security group of an instance anytime. If you have another security group with different firewall rules, you can easily do so using the console. Let's see how. Go to Security. Click on Change Security Group. In the Change Security Groups wizard, it will show the already existing SG on the instance.
Here you can add the new security group by clicking the Change Security Group tab. Here you will see all the security groups created by you. Here I am selecting the default security group and click on Add Security Group.
Now remove the old security group and click on Save. On the EC2 dashboard, under the Security tab, you can see that the security group of the instance has been changed. The instance will now send, receive traffic based on the new security group settings. Now let us see how to change the instance type on an instance. You can change the instance type of your instance if you desire a higher configuration instance as per your application requirement. This can be done to vertically scale your instance and provide you with more compute memory capacity. Let's see how to do this. You cannot change an instance type if it's a running server. You have to stop it before doing so. Go to Instance State, click on Stop. This will stop the instance. Note that the instance state is now in stopping mode on the EC2 dashboard. You change an instance type now. Go to Action and click on Instance Settings. Click on Change Instance Type. A Change Instance Type tab will appear. You can select from a range of 8 available instance types. For this tutorial, we are changing it to T2 Nano just for the sake of demonstration. Select T2 Nano and hit Apply. Notice on the EC2 dashboard, your instance type has been changed to the said type automatically. You can now start your instance and continue on the operations on that. There will be no change in other configuration parameters and also your existing installations on the server will remain intact. Hope you understood the basics of EC2 settings. In the next video, we will be discussing AWS Simple Storage Service, also known as S3 Bucket.
Thank you for watching the tutorial.
For more such content, subscribe to our channel.